Hello, and thank you for purchasing a Lunar Bliss balloon arch and garland kit. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how easy it is to assemble a garland that's sure to dazzle your guests. First, let's review what you'll need. Most kits include balloons of various sizes, a balloon tying tool, a decorating strip for assembling your garland, clear hanging line for hanging it up, and adhesive dots for attaching smaller balloons. While not required, an electric balloon pump or air compressor is highly recommended. Keep in mind the garland can take 2 to 3 hours to fully assemble. For your convenience, the garland may be assembled up to 48 hours before your event and still look great. So let's get started. The first step is to inflate all your balloons. For a rounder look and richer colour, be sure not to overinflate. If you want to use the tying tool, here's how to use it. And once more, a little slower. Step 2 is to attach balloons to the decorating strip. This will be much easier if you fasten the strip to heavy objects like chairs so it's at a good working level. This will save your knees and back, reduce static, and keep lint and hair from sticking to the balloons. Attach a variety of balloons to the strip by pulling the knotted end of the balloon through the hole and sliding it over to hold it in place. Attach only the larger balloons. You'll be using the smaller ones later. Attach a balloon every 1 to 3 holes on alternate sides of the decorating strip. Be sure to vary colours and sizes for the look you want. If your kit includes confetti balloons, rub them with a cloth or your hand to create static so the confetti will stick to the sides. Balloons attached? Now it's time to hang up your garland. Once you've picked your spot, fasten the garland using the clear hanging line. Tie a piece of the line to the decorating strip and fasten the other end to the desired anchor. For extra ease and flexibility, try using adhesive hooks or gaffer tape. The last step is to fill in the gaps. Use the smallest balloons you set aside earlier to fill in the spaces and round out your design. This is where the adhesive dots come in. When you're finished, take a last look. Make any final adjustments. And there you go, a work of art that will make your event a sensational success.